Hey nurses, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Next Gen NCLEX scoring models. You may have heard some buzz about this, and you may be wondering what it means for you, and your nursing students, or even for your NCLEX prep. So in this video, we're going to talk about these new scoring models and how they're going to impact you and your students. So there are 3 key scoring models that you need to know. The first one is called all or nothing scoring. In this model, you either get the question right or you get it wrong. So if you select the correct answer, then you get 1 point. If you select an incorrect answer, then you get 0 points. So it's very binary, right? Either you know it or you don't. So an example of this type of question would be like a traditional multiple choice question, where only one answer is correct and the other options are incorrect. The second type of question that you need to know is called partial credit scoring. In this model, you can earn partial credit for selecting the correct answer. So for example, if there were 3 options and 2 of them were correct, and you happen to select one of them, then you would receive 2/3 of a point. So instead of 1 point, you get 2/3 of a point. Or if you happen to select both of the correct answers, then you would get 100% or 1 point. So unlike all or nothing in this model, you can get partial credit for knowing some of the answers. The third type of question that you need to know is called rationale scoring. And this is different from the other 2 because you actually have to provide a written response. So you're not selecting from a group of options. You're actually writing your answer. So for example, the question might ask you to explain the pathophysiology of a condition, or to describe a medication, or to explain a nursing intervention. So these questions require you to use your knowledge and your critical thinking skills to write a response that answers the question. And then the computer will score your answer using natural language processing technology. So this allows for a more nuanced and detailed assessment of your knowledge and understanding of the subject matter. So basically with this model, you're not just selecting from a group of options, you're actually writing your answer. So those are the 3 things that you need to know about Next Gen NCLEX scoring models: all or nothing, partial credit, and rationale. So make sure that you understand how each one of these is scored and what type of question you need to answer. For each one of these models, you want to make sure that you practice and that you review these types of questions, so that you re-prepared for all of them when you take the NCLEX. So hopefully this was helpful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you check out more of my videos. Appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.